Look at this design, and you immediately think, oh, it's simple, I know how to design it too. And do you know what? 95% of people who think it's simple couldn't do it, or at least they did it wrong. In this video, I will introduce some tips in Illustrator that will blow your mind and completely change the way you design. The first tip. When looking at this design, you will notice that the sunburst is made up of straight lines, which is the trickiest part. So, I will focus on that. As you know, in the design process, you need to prioritize methods that allow for easy adjustments until the design is harmonious and beautiful. And here's how I do it. Use the paintbrush to dot a point. Repeat this point in radial. Double-click to adjust the stroke size. Here, I use 0.5 and increase the number of points to 30. Press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+Shift+V to paste it in the exact position. Shrink it and adjust the stroke size. Here, I choose 0.35 px. Select both and expand. Next, I use the blend tool. In the options, I will create 100 steps. Then make a blend. Now, when I adjust the inner circle, rotate it, scale it up or down, or move it, the path lines will also adjust accordingly. Here, I already have an image of a mountain. So, I will paste it here and adjust the path lines to make it look as beautiful and perfect as possible. The second tip. Global color is a special type of color that you can use to apply to design elements in your document. When you change a global color, all objects using that color will automatically update to the new color, saving time and ensuring consistency in your design. A common example is when you have a logo or a primary brand color that you want to use across multiple elements in your document. By creating a global color, you can apply it to objects and text in the document, and when you decide to change this color, all related elements will automatically update to the new color. For example, here in the design of stamp pixel number 5 in my OPixI project, when I change the color in the global color swatch, all pixels with the same global color will change accordingly. So, how do you create a global color? You simply select one or more swatches or any design, then go to Swatches and choose Add New Color Group, then name this color group, and remember to check the Global option. Click OK, and you have successfully created a global color. The key difference between a global color and a regular color is that it has a triangle icon in the upper right corner of the color swatch. The third tip. The Intertwine feature in Illustrator is used to connect two path lines or color areas to create an interlocking effect between them. This can be used to create unique designs or make elements in the design more complex and interesting. Here's how to do it. Here, I have two path lines with different colors. I select both of them, then go to Object and choose Intertwine. Next, when you hover your mouse over the intersection point of the two path lines, you will notice a difference. What you need to do next is simply click, and done. If you enjoyed this video, I would greatly appreciate a like, share, and comment to help the video reach more people and motivate me to create more useful videos. And don't forget to subscribe to the DAINOGO channel to stay updated with many more helpful tips in Illustrator that will blow your mind in part 2.